FastComet WordPress Hosting means strong account and website security, out-of-the-box optimization, and real 24 hours a day, 7 days a week technical support. Installing WordPress comes included in the package and there will be no extra fees applied. This can be easily done with just a few clicks with the use of Softaculous from your cPanel. No more abuse cases or sudden account suspensions. With the Observer monitoring, you can reduce cost, remove performance bottlenecks, and maintain your hosting account with ease. And in case any issue arises, our expert WordPress support team will proactively give you a call and help you resolve it, instead of just suspending your account. Servers protected by FastGuard learn from each attack and inform each other about malicious activities. This result is a global defense network that counteracts botnet attacks and exploits with a shield of protection for all WordPress websites, while also improving performance. If your WordPress website is your passion, business, or just a personal hobby, FastComet wants you to succeed and grow. They made Fast Cloud Hosting platform so you can stay focused on what is essential while they manage everything else for you.